Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to swap coins on Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application and added my wallet. Right now, we're only gonna focus on how to swap the coins. At the bottom, right next to home, you will see a button like this called as swap. Click on it right now. Once you do, this thing will open up. From here, you can simply swap between the coins. As you can see, currently it is an Ethereum to BTC++. Simply click on this drop down button right here and select the network of your choice. Once you guys have done that, what you guys can do is simply enter the coins that you want to swap. As you can see, I'm doing it right now. Once you do that, simply hit on this button right here. Well, currently I do not have sufficient balance. That's why it is showing me something like this. But for you guys, you just need to hit on continue or next. And if it asks for any prompts, simply allow it. That way you can swap coins on Trust Wallet. That is it guys. That's how you swap coins on Trust Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.